Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable the cursor in your display or game window capture in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches and you can see your main interface, direct your attention to the bottom left section of the screen. This is where you'll find the Sources panel, which contains all the different elements you've added to your current scene. Your sources might include things like display captures, game captures, webcam feeds, or other media elements you're using in your stream or recording. Now, within this Sources section, you'll need to identify the specific source where you want to hide the cursor. This could be a display capture, a game capture, or a window capture, depending on what you're working with. Once you've located the correct source, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with several different options for managing and adjusting that particular source. From the context menu that appears, look for and click on Properties. This option will open a new window dedicated to the settings and configuration options for your selected capture source. The Properties window is where you can fine-tune how OBS captures and displays that particular element, giving you control over various aspects of the capture behavior. Once the Properties window opens, scan through the available options until you find one labeled Capture Cursor. This setting specifically controls whether or not your mouse pointer appears in the capture. You'll notice there's a checkbox beside this option. If the box is currently checked, that means your cursor is being captured and will appear in your recordings or streams. To disable the cursor and prevent it from showing up in your capture, simply uncheck this box by clicking on it. After you've unchecked the Capture Cursor option, click the OK button at the bottom of the Properties window. This will save your changes and close the Properties panel. Your cursor will no longer appear in that specific capture source, giving you a cleaner, more professional-looking stream or recording without the distraction of a mouse pointer moving around the screen. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the cursor in your OBS capture, allowing for a much cleaner viewing experience for your audience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.